How to find all your activity history on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your history activity on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Now all you need to do is scroll down until you find see your time on Facebook. Now click on see your time, click on see activity log, scroll down and you have the last one, which is logged action and other activity, your device login videos you have watched and more. View logged action, and here you're gonna find all your activity on Facebook app. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.